Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a polygel kit as well as a dip powder kit from Modelones. So if you'd like to see how I created this really fun summery manicure, then just keep on watching. This particular polygel kit comes with two colors of polygel, light apricot and clear, a base coat and top coat gel, a brush tool to help you spread out the polygel into dual forms, and it comes in a really nice compact design perfect for storage and travel, some slip solution, a small nail file, a package of dual forms. A gel lamp was not included in this kit, but this is the Modelones gel lamp that I received from another kit, and it is an LED lamp which has a very small and compact design, again perfect for storage and travel. To start off this manicure, I will be using a water-based peel-off base coat because I film constantly during the week, so unfortunately I can't leave nails like this on for long periods of time. But this is when you would want to prep your nails for the polygel. You'd want to lightly buff the surface of your nails, file your nails down, and remove your nails of any excess oil and debris. Now I'm applying a layer of the gel base coat and curing it in the LED lamp for 1 minute. Next, you'll want to fit your nail perfectly for a dual form, making sure that it covers the side walls of your nails. This kit didn't come with a dab-in dish, so I squeezed some of the slip solution into the cap of the slip solution. Then I'm taking some of the light apricot polygel and squeezing it into the dual form. Then I'm dipping the brush tool into some of the slip solution and gently pulling on the polygel to cover the dual form as long as I would like my nail to be. One thing that I have noticed, because I have done a few polygel kit reviews, is that this brush was a little bit more firm than I would have preferred. It was a little bit stiff, but the polygel did spread out really nicely. Once I had the gel how I liked it, I'm gently pressing the dual form onto my nail. I'm also flipping my nail over to spread out some of the polygel in case it gets a little bit thick. Then I'm curing the polygel for 1 minute under the lamp, then clipping and filing my nail to my desired shape. I've really been loving the coffin shape lately, so that is what I'm going to go ahead and shape my nails to. Once my nails were shaped and prepped to how I desired, I took a cotton ball, dipped into some rubbing alcohol, and removed the excess filing dust. And here are the final polygel nails, and I was really impressed with myself because this was like my third or fourth time using polygel, and I feel like these are the best they've ever turned out, so I was really impressed. For the dip portion of this manicure, I will be using the Modelones dip powder kit, which comes with 6 dip powders, the dip powder liquids, brush replacements, and a fluffy brush. To start the dip manicure, I'm applying a layer of the base liquid and then dipping my nail immediately into the yellow dip powder. I let the nail dry for about 30 seconds and then I used the brush to wipe off the excess powder. Then I'm repeating the same step by applying a layer of the base liquid and then dipping my nail into the powder. The next step is applying a layer of activator, and this makes the dip really hard. One thing that I did notice is that it has a very strong smell, so if you are sensitive to smells, you might want to be careful about using this one. I also had trouble when trying to buff my nails, whether I didn't let the activator dry long enough, but I found that the dip powder was lifting as I was trying to buff the nails, so again, you might want to be careful, but I really didn't have a huge issue because my application was quite smooth. After the activator dried, I applied the first layer of the top coat. For the butterfly design, I'm using these butterfly water decals from Born Pretty store, and you can use my code ANN20 for 20% off. I will have the link below. I cut out the 2 butterflies that I wanted, removed the plastic backing, and then dipped them into the water and let them soak until they peeled off the paper backing just like this. Then I took the butterflies and placed them onto my nail, and they stuck right on just like that. Finally, to complete the manicure, I'm applying one last layer of the shiny dip top coat. Here are the finished nails. I was really impressed with how these turned out, especially for it being my third, fourth time using polygel. I really loved how the overall polygel nails turned out. The dip powder was super easy to work with. The only complaint that I had was the activator having a very strong smell, and maybe I just didn't let it dry long enough, even though I waited 2-3 minutes before buffing my nails, but I did find that I did have a little bit of issue with buffing the nails. It applied pretty smooth. You can see it is a little bit bumpy on my middle finger, but overall I don't really have any complaints with the kit, and for the price you really can't beat it. If you are interested in any products that I mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the description box where I will have all the products linked. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!